23rd तक कंप्लीट हो गया है. 24th it is given to you. Question number 24. Here it is given that limit extends to 1 and the function you need to find out the limit extends to 1 for the function f of x is equals to x square minus 1 and minus x square minus 1. So x square minus 1 is x less than or equals to 1 and this is for x greater than. So this is a split function. Here you need to find out the limit x tends to 1 f of x. So do remember that whenever you are finding the limit x tends to 1, so the given function is at the place of 1 is whether split function or not. Split function means वो split हो गया. So at the place of 1 it is splitting. So that's why you need to find out the left hand limit and right hand limit. If both left hand limit and right hand limit are equal only, then you can say that the limit exists. And suppose here in this case, if it is asking you to find out limit extends to 5. In the previous question, please ask limit extends to 5 is asking directly limit extends to 5 you can write. Okay. But here, whenever you see that this question limit extends to 1 is asking, so left hand limit you find out left hand limit is equals to limit extends to 1 minus f of x. So 1 minus is nothing but to determine the function only. Here to determine the function को determine करने के लिए 1 minus लिखते हैं. So when less than 1 near to 1, what is the function? So the function is less than 1 near to 1 means x square minus 1. So function you need to take it as a limit extends to 1 minus as x square minus. But when you substitute it, direct substitution only. So when you substitute here 1 square minus 1, 1 only you have to substitute, not minus 1. This is not minus 1. In a confusion, most of the students will write it as a minus 1. Minus 1 like it. So minus, it is not a minus 1. Do remember. So 1 only, but why is ऊपर minus लिख रहा हूँ near to 1, but left side of 1. The further purpose. So this is equals to 0. And right hand limit whenever you are taking limit x tends to 1 plus f of x. This is equals to limit x tends to 1 plus f of x. So that is minus x square minus 1. So what to substitute here? 1 only you need to substitute here. Here 1 if you are substituting, you are going to get minus 2. You are getting. So since you can write that L left hand limit is not equals to right hand limit. Therefore, limit extends to 1 f of x does not exist. It exists right now. Did you understand here? You can wrote down. Okay. Next, let us see here. This is very interesting question. 25th one is. I think once one student also asked, limit extends to 0. You need to find out the function is given function is f of x is equals to mod x by x if x is not equals to 0, and it is equals to 0 when x is equals to 0. Mod x by x when x is equals to x is not equals to 0. Actually, here it is asking for you to find out limit extends to 0. So left hand limit, what you will get? Left hand limit is nothing but limit extends to 0 minus f of x. 0 minus f. So when it is not a 0, the function is mod x by x. When it is not a 0, then the function. And this function can be rewrite in another way also. Any function, I can write it as a is equals to x by x if x is greater than 0. Minus x by x if x is less than 0. Is 0 if x is equals to 0. Same function. Here x is not equal to 0 with this function. Actually, what do you get here in this situation? X by x is nothing but 1. Minus x by x is nothing but minus 1. So same function if you want, you can rewrite that function as a 1 if x is greater than 0, minus 1 if x is less than 0, 0 if x is equals to 0. Yes, these three functions are same functions. If question is given to you like this, question is given to you like this, same way. You are going to get same way. Okay? Did you understand here? This one.
Sir, what else, sir? Sir, you told us that x approaching to 0 minus. So how did you like minus? In the book it is not written the minus. 0 minus.
Where it is not given written? In the left hand limit, you see in your textbook, you open the textbook, left hand limit, right hand limit, whenever it is given to you, it will be written left hand limit and right hand limit. I'll show it to you. Page number I'll tell you. It is not given in the question. Question में नहीं देगा. Not in the question. Example problems you see and left hand limit, right hand limit definition whenever it is needed to you. Page number illustration number 10 you see. Illustration number 10. Page number. इसका page number क्या है इसमें? 291. Page number 291 you see. Page number 291. Illustration number 10. Illustration number 9. Everywhere it is you see.
Yes, sir.
Question, that's what I am saying. Question, in the question it is not given to you. But what this is a function, is split function at the place of 0. Why it is split function? 0 को less than होता है तो ये अलग होगा. इसका definition देखो A. 0 को less than अलग है, 0 को greater than अलग है. So function is splitting at the place of 0. So that's why we need to take the left hand limit and right hand limit. Suppose in case if it is the question given to you, the other than the left hand limit and right hand limit, other than the left hand limit and right hand limit, if it is given to you, then you can take it to consider the direct one. Sorry, other than the 0 if it is given to you. Directly if it is given to you the 5. Directly if it is given to you the 6. Limit extends to 6 is given to you. So 6 को left side is 5 something 5.9. वो भी positive है. So always it is possible. This limit does not exist in case of the 0. Not exist. वो not exist होगा. वही दिखाने के लिए ये क्वेश्चन दे दिया है. Okay. So now what we have, limit extends to 0 minus f of x means limit extends to 0 minus. Actually, you need to take the mod x by x only as per this question. So mod x by x. But when the x value is less than 0, means this becomes it as a limit extends to 0 minus x by x. Because as per the definition of the modulus, mod x is equals to minus x if x is less than 0. X is what here? Less than 0 only. It is near to 0 but left side of 0. Less than 0. So mod x. So this is nothing but you are going to get limit extends to 0, 0 minus 1 which is equals to minus 1. यही minus 1 आ जाएगा. Here भी same function. If it is given same function, directly you can write. As if this function given to you this one, then right hand limit what do you get? 1 r. Right hand limit what do you get here? Mod x by x आएगा. 0 plus is nothing but 1 आएगा. So that is left hand limit is minus 1, right hand limit is plus 1. And both are not equal, therefore limit does not exist. Same question, same way, 26th question. Same model. इसमें just reverse दे दिया. X by mod x दे दिया है. तो उधर भी same है. The function is same function. This is only the function. This one only you are going to get it in 26 terms. Same function. 1 by x by minus x आएगा. So that is nothing but minus 1 only. अब x by plus x आएगा. That is nothing but plus 1 only. Okay. So that is the left hand limit and right hand limit. So coming to the 27th question, whenever you see that f of x is equals to in 27th here in this event, the f of x is equals to mod x minus 1. Mod x minus 1. See here, please try to observe properly and asking you to find out limit extends to 5. ये क्वेश्चन बहुत ज्यादा थोड़ा सा चेंज करके दे सकते हैं. Normally if I give the question paper, then I'll change it little bit. वो पहले इसका सॉल्यूशन क्या है बता सकते हैं? Zero आ जाएगा approximately. Directly substitution because 5 का left side mod x is x only. Because 5 का left side is positive only. 5 का right side is positive. No need of finding left hand limit and right hand limit. Directly you can take into consider. But if the question is given to you instead of the modulus, here in this situation limit extends to is given is limit extends to 5 mod 5 minus 5. Mod 5 minus 5 is nothing but 0. So actually, the function should be taken as this one. So mod 5 minus 5 which is equals to 5 minus 5 which is equals to 0. Final solution. No data of left hand limit and right hand limit. Because this function mod x is equals to x if x is greater than 0 is equals to minus x if x is less than 0 is equals to 0 if x is equals to 0. Mod x. तो ये क्या splitting function mod x is splitting at the place of 0, not at the place of 5. Suppose if I give it to you like this. This was second question. I am changing the question. F of x is equals to mod x minus 5 and modulus is taken in between the x minus 5, not mod x minus 5. The textbook is given mod x minus 5. The modulus I have taken to the x minus 5 and asking you to find if the x tends to 5 f of x. 0. Definition of this one you need to see. A function, this function can be written in another way also. First, mod x minus 5 can be written as x minus 5 if x is greater than 5. It is equals to minus of x minus 5 if x is less than 5.
X is equal to 5.
And it is equals to 0 if x is equals to 5. It is equals to 0 if x is equal to 5. ये definition of this one. Okay, but here actually directly you are not supposed to, because 5 का left side में function अलग है, 5 का right side में function अलग है. But it is going to exist in both the cases. Left hand limit भी 0 आ जाएगा, right hand limit भी 0 आ जाएगा. 0 here, as you are getting 0, minus 0 आ जाएगा. 0 minus 0, both are same only. So limit exist होगा, वो भी. So ज़्यादा हम confuse होकर directly solve करते हैं. But ये problem दे दिया तो, but you need to solve it left hand limit and right hand limit also, because there is a split function at the place of 5. Although both are equal, exist 4x, and the limit is equals to 5, then you need to find out the left hand limit and right hand limit. Suppose the question is given to you, then it is, sorry,
0 by 5. Infinity. No, sir. Undefined. Approaching the
think about this question. थोड़ा सा think करो. Because whatever the textbook or questions are given, apart from the थोड़ा मैं extend करके दे रहा हूँ. If the question is given to you like this, you need to think about the questions. If you are not supposed to restrict to the only the questions given to you. If question is given like this, what to do? If the question is given like this, what to do? That gives you the more knowledge actually. That is very important thing is for you. Okay? Different. That question and this question both are same.
1.
ये 0 है, वो 5 है. ये x का प्लेस x minus 5 you consider as a y. X minus 5 you consider as a y. Mod y by y.
1.
एक बार minus 1 आएगा, एक बार plus 1 आएगा. Limit does not exist. Limit extends to 5 f of x.
इस concept के लिए नहीं है.
हाँ?
इस concept के लिए limit exist नहीं करता.
हाँ, ये 5 के plus exist नहीं होगा. This is original concept we are going to get about the modulus questions whenever it is coming. कुछ नहीं करना पड़ेगा नॉर्मली. ऐसा चेंज करके सोचना है. That is the main thing. समझ में आया शांतनु? ओके? मजा आया ना? Yes. Good. Next.
Okay, sir. A plus B is 4. A minus B is
Next, 28th one. So these are all actually easy questions only, but thoda sa different hai. 28 numbers. Twenty-eighth one. F of x is equals to, the question is given to you. A plus bx, x is less than 0, 1, and it is equals to 4, x is equals to 1, and b minus ax for x is greater than 1. And limit extends to, if limit extends to 1, f of x is equals to f of 1. What are the possible values of a and b? So given that, what is given here? Given limit extends to 1, f of x is equals to f of 1. What is f of 1? 4. That is nothing but limit extends to, ये exist होगा बोला. Limit extends to 1, f of x is f of 1 is nothing but वो आंसर 4 आएगा. 4 आएगा बोलो तो लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट भी 4 है, राइट हैंड लिमिट भी 4 है. It is given that left hand limit, because why do we go for the left hand limit and right hand limits are here? Because it is a split function at the place of 1. Compulsory we need to take the left hand limit and right hand limit. So limit extends to 1, f of x is nothing but minus limit extends to 1 plus f of x is equals to 4. Limit extends to 1 minus f of x is equals to 4. Limit extends to 1 plus f of x is equals to 4. 1 minus को 4 है, 1 plus को भी 4 है. Okay? तो 1 minus is nothing but limit extends to 1 minus f of x क्या है? Less than 1 means a plus bx is equals to 4. तो 1 substitute कर लो, a plus b is equals to 4. You consider this as equation number 1. 1 plus more than 1, so then the function will be taken as b minus ax is equals to 4. 1 substitute, b minus a is equals to 4. Second equation, add 1 and 2. Linear equations into variables. So 1 plus 2 implies a cancel होगा, 2b is equals to a, b is equals to 4. This implies that a is equals to 0. A can be 0. A and B values are asking you to find out. Okay? Next, 29th question here. A1, A2, A3 are real numbers. Define the function f of x is equals to x minus a1, x minus a2, x minus an, and so on. Limit extends to any doubt here? Okay. Limit extends to a1, f of x is asking you to find out. What do you get? What is the value of limit extends to a1 f of x? 0. a1 उसमें substitute कर लो. Function is what is given here. 29 में f of x is given as x minus a1, x minus a2, and so on, x minus an. The product of a polynomial function. This is. It's a polynomial function. And what is limit extends to a1 f of x? 0. What is, and a is not equal to any one of these, a1 to a, and asking you to find out limit extends to a f of x. Directly a किसी को equal नहीं है, तो ये limit extends to a1 f of x is nothing but इसमें a1 सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, ये 0 हो जाएगा, सारा कुछ भी होने दो. That is 0. Next, ये तो कुछ भी क्वेश्चन नहीं है, ऐसा कुछ क्वेश्चन दे दिया है. It is very simple. ये क्या है? ये is not equal to any one of them. A minus a1, a minus a2, and so on. A minus a. खत्म. Okay. What is that? Nothing else in this. Okay. Next, coming to the 30 and 31st questions in here. 30th question is. questions. What is the question given here? Limit x mod x plus 1 less than 0, mod x minus 1. For what values of a? Limit x tends to, okay. Mod x plus 1, if x is less than 0, is equals to 0, x is equals to 0, mod x minus 1, x is greater than 0. Yes. Okay, and asking to you to for what values of a it exists. At what place f of limit x tends to a, f of x existed, given that this is exist. So this is nothing but limit x tends to a minus f of x is equals to limit x tends to a plus f of x. And you consider here x is equal to a is equal to 0 one case you have to take, a is non-zero one case you have to take. A is because the given function is split function at the place of 0. So case 1, let a is equals to 0. In case 1, let a is equals to 0. So limit x tends to 0 minus f of x is equals to limit x tends to 0 plus f of x. As per it is given here, 0 minus f of x is nothing but limit x tends to 0 minus mod x plus 1 is equals to mod x minus 1. When it is less than 0, the function is minus x. As per the definition of mod x, it is minus x. So limit x tends to 0 minus x plus 1 is equals to limit x tends to 0 plus x minus 1. So अब 0 substitute करना है. 0 plus 1 is equals to 0 minus 1. So this is equals to 1 is equals to minus 1. This is false. Therefore, at x equal to 0, at a equal to 0, it does not exist. Okay? Okay, second case also, a is positive you need to take. Sorry, not only directly non-zero you cannot take. Non-zero is nothing but negative hoga, positive. So case 2 में, in the second case, let a is greater than 0. When it is greater than 0, the function should be taken as always this one. This, oh sorry, less than 0 means x plus 1. Same, a greater than 0. Okay. Now here a greater than 0 means we need to take this function only into consider. So this is nothing but limit x tends to a f of x, a minus f of x is equals to limit x tends to a plus f of x. Actually, it is not a split function at that place. Directly you can substitute. It exists. So a minus f of x is nothing but what do you get here? The function is, as it is a positive number, it is a positive number. A is a positive number. You consider number 2 or number 5, like that. Any number you consider. If it is 5 minus is nothing but mod x minus 1, and 5 only you need to substitute. And 5 minus 1 you will get. Here if it is, what do you get? Same 5 minus 1. Same function to be taken. In both the cases, same function only to be taken. The other function not. Because both the cases, 5 ka example I am taking 5. 5 left side is nothing but positive. This function. 5 right side is nothing but positive. This function. So in both the cases, you are going to get this as a minus 1, this as a minus 1. Equal. So therefore it exists. And in case 3, third case, let a less than 0. In this situation, mod x a plus 1 आ जाएगा. Both the places में a plus 1 आ जाएगा. A plus 1 आ जाएगा, isn't it? Because negative number it is taken into consider. When a negative number, sorry, minus a plus 1. Because mod x becomes minus x. Mod x becomes minus x. See here, limit x tends to a minus f of x is equals to limit x tends to a plus f of x. ये नेगेटिव नंबर है. Limit x tends to a minus mod x plus 1 function is equals to limit x tends to a plus here also mod x plus 1. As a is negative, mod x will become minus x. As a is negative, mod x will become minus x. So limit x tends to a minus x plus 1. Limit x tends to a plus minus x plus 1. So a substitute करना है. A is negative, but a as it is substitute करें. So minus a plus 1 is equals to minus. Both are equal. We will not get a plus 1. That's what I minus a plus 1 आएगा. So exist. Okay? Did you understand this?
Yes, sir.
So very simple, but little bit you may feel complicated. Okay? 31, 32 also. आराम से. So what is it here? It is very important question. This is examination point of view also very important. More number of the times repeated question and expected question also. So the function f of x satisfies that limit x tends to 1 f of x minus 2 by x square minus 1 is equals to 1. Evaluate limit x tends to 1 f of x. Limit x tends to 1 f of x you need to evaluate. Asking to you to, this is given and asking you to evaluate limit x tends to 1. थोड़ा सा सोच, टाइम है हमारे पास. What to do? Limit x tends to 1 f of x. 1 को न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर में as it is ले सकते हैं. limit x tends to 1 डिनोमिनेटर में भी ले सकते हैं. You try in your notebook this problem. ये limit can be taken in numerator as using the algebra of the limits whenever you are taking into consideration. Algebra of the limits consider. Simple problem है, पर थोड़ा सा सोचना पड़ेगा. Algebra of the limits concept to be used here. Algebra of the limits बोले तो limit x tends to a f of x plus limit x tends to a f of x plus limit x tends to a g of x. प्लस होता है तो और लिमिट को सेपरेट कर सकते हैं, माइनस होता है तो सेपरेट कर सकते हैं, मल्टीप्लाई होता है तो भी लिमिट सेपरेटली ले सकते हैं, डिवीजन होता है तो सेपरेटली ले सकते हैं. इधर डिवीजन है तो ये लिमिट सेपरेटली ले सकते हैं. And that is one thing, and one more thing you need to know that what is this? Now you can give the answer to this question. ये lengthy question नहीं है, but easy question है, but थोड़ा सा सोचने वाला question.
Sir, pi is equal to nothing. Yes, so.
Huh?
This pi is equal.
That you don't think. I have given the most related key completely given to you. Complete solution only shown. You apply the algebra of the limits and that one. You limit separately numerator denominator में ले लो. Then you try it. इसमें तो कुछ नहीं है, सिंपल प्रॉब्लम है, बट यू फील इट इज एज ए कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. दिस क्वेश्चन एंड नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन बोथ आर very repeatedly asked questions in exam. नहीं आ रहा व्हाट देखना है देखते तो पता चल रहा है ना ऑलरेडी आई टोल्ड व्हाट इज दिस वैल्यू 0 ये लिमिट सेपरेटली लेना है लिमिट एक्सटेंड्स टू 1 f of x एंड लिमिट एक्सटेंड्स टू 1 2 क्या है 2 ये क्या है 0 ये 0 इधर लेके जाओ 0 हो गया वो 2 को राइट साइड लेके आओ प्लस 2 नो ओके आई टेल यू what I am saying that limit extends to 1 f of x minus limit extends to 1 2 by limit extends to 1 x square minus 1 is equals to 5 ये पूरा लिमिट को इधर लेके एक्चुअली डिनोमिनेटर 0 आता है ये अनडिफाइंड होता है दैट यू आर थिंकिंग सो लिमिट extends to 1 f of x minus limit extends to 1 2 is equals to pi a limit extends to 1 x square minus 1. We need this one. Complete all the terms you take to the right hand side. Then after simplify, limit extends to 1 f of x is equals to limit extends to 1 2 plus pi a limit extends to 1 x square minus 1. This is what 2. This is what कुछ नहीं है ओके समझ में आया ना हाँ 32 also मैं बोल रहा था repeatedly asked questions these are the function is given to you as mx square plus n x is then 0 nx plus m when it is in between 0 and 1 including the 0 and 1 and x cube plus m if it is x greater than 0 for what values of m and n the both limit extends to 0 f of x and limit extends to 1 f of x exist 0 exist होगा बोल रहे हैं given limit x tends to 0 f of x exists it is a split function at 0 and as well as 1 0 को 1 में दोनों में स्प्लिट फंक्शन है सो दोनों प्लेसेस में लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट राइट हैंड लिमिट फाइंड आउट करना है ये एग्जिस्ट बोल रहे तो यू कैन से दैट लिमिट एक्सटेंड्स टू 0 0 minus f of x is equals to limit extends to 0 0 plus f of x so 0 minus means limit extends to 0 the function 0 minus function you are going to get it as mx square plus n so limit extends to 0 plus 0 से plus near to 0 but 0 से nx plus n लेना है numerator से 0 से right side बोले तो ये भी ले सकते हैं but very near to 0 ना so function should be taken this way
because it is equal to also
so almost equal so 0 substitute कर लो n is equal to n
yes
m into 0 plus n n into 0 plus n तो इधर क्या होगा so for n is equals to m this exists and also limit extends to 1 f of x exists that is nothing but limit extends to 1 minus f of x is equals to limit extends so what is here limit extends to 1 minus f of x. 1 say less than, that is nx plus n. Limit x tends to 1 plus 1 plus 1 say greater than nx2 plus m plus n is equals to n plus n. So both the cases m plus n equal to m plus n are. So that is nothing but for any value of
n
so therefore here you calculate if m is equals to n then
every value of
limit x tends to 0 f of x exists. for any values of m and n. M plus n equal to n plus n is always true. It is always true for any values of m and n. Limit x tends to 1 and of x 1. 1. This is 1. This is 0. Two questions are asking to you in this situation. This is important question. You can write. Okay.